Welcome to the clubhouse.
Hi everyone, I'm John with the Umpqua Valley Model Railroad Club based in Roseburg, Oregon. We're hoping you enjoy this video today. We're hoping you subscribe, leave us a comment, but remember to hit that like button.
Actual engine 275. It was built in 1953, and it's sitting in some yard somewhere right now. Inside, and it's just the outer shell that's sitting there now. But it served for like 25 years.
So this is a prototypical 1950s train for Santa Fe.
1953 to 1955, based on the cars and the engine.
And of course, the hobo in the boxcar.
Hobo in the boxcar, playing on his harmonica.
Wait. That's close enough.
There you go. Loco.
Is it on the Francis? 748. Well, that works.
Push down and then pull. Press here for pick up a car. What? Press here.
Oh, sure.
Wrapping of a wire.
Sure. Makes sense.
Okay, what we have here is my intermodal train. And I went off to the Spokane Train Show, which we may see in a future video. And I picked up about 4 sets of 5 piggyback cars that I've connected up. And put a couple of contained well cars on the end. You're gonna let me get out first. Okay. I had a real good time at the Spokane Train Show. They do it twice a year. Talked with a lot of the club members from the River City Model Railroad Club there. So, was able to add to this train my wood products train, and my vintage wood products train.
So what do we got rolling, Bill? Yeah, okay.
Tell us about your train, Bill.
We got a Southern Pacific Cadillac, an SD9, pulling pretty prototypical consist, except for the last two cars, which are covered hoppers, which is a little out of date. Little Dragon, I think. I don't think you're, oh, you got a bunch of cars off.
Well, technical difficulties fixed, and away we go again. Well, we picked a point.
Okay, so now my sound's not working. What's going on?
It's not making noise.
It's got a 12 by 12.
Why do these things happen on the bridge? When I was here Tuesday, I used my F7s to pull this, and it went around just fine. But it was just the piggyback cars. I didn't have the tandem cars.
See you guys later.
That's still on this car. I was looking for the one that had a problem.
Specific industry,
I remember that. Okay.
Intermodal, so, you know, that's going to be your current stuff.
Okay, I'm gonna go onto the siding here, so.
There you go. Something's making noise.
Here we go again.
Wow. What are those locomotives?
One's a SD70,
Oh, they are different, aren't they?
and the front one is phase 2 or something.
This is so cool.
I gotta go slow. Or, I don't know, maybe switch it to the siding. For some reason it gets kind of hung up here.
That is so neat.
Yeah, it looks impressive when you get the trailer vans on there too. So I'm gonna switch this back.
Seems to me last week, the last time I was here, there was a spot right in here that was giving them
Let's
fits.
see if maybe that makes a difference. Let me see.
banjo string?
It took out your caboose.